Anna at your screen and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be sharing with you guys what I received on my 19th birthday. I did receive some gifts from my friends and family. However, for the most part, I did gift quite a lot of makeup-y and skincare stuff to myself because I wanted to have them for the longest time, and then I was like, hey, it's my birthday, what better time? You need to love yourself. Okay, so that whole let's love yourself and pamper yourself motion was next level this time. With all that being said, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright then, so I'm going to start off with something non-makeup-y because then this might turn into a haul, okay? So the first thing I got is a hair styling tool, and this is by Vega, and this is in the style Styler. Now for a fact, I know that this has been in the market for a really long time, like almost 4 to 5 years, and I've heard great reviews about this, and the best part is it comes with 2 years warranty. So this is what I did with this straightener. Now it's not the best job, the straightener is really good, it's just that the user is not that good, and my shoulder literally started hurting, and I was like, you know what, I'm done. So I did my back nicely, but at the front I was like, I cannot do it. That's why I have this creepy wavy hair situation, but that's okay, right? We're friends. That is these earphones. These are like this ginormous earphones, and they're really good quality. For a matter of fact, I know these are not from online, so I'm not really sure if they're available online, but they're of really good quality. However, the only downside I feel with this is the cord. Like, cord is really big. Like, I could possibly wrap a human and carry along. It's that big. I'm not even exaggerating. No hate, I really love this stuff. It's really good. It's really comforting. So for the first time ever, I visited Sephora, and that was like the best moment of my life. Going to Sephora has always been like this most overwhelming thing to me. So I just got 2 things from Sephora. The first thing is this Professional by Benefit. Now this is not the actual size, this is a travel size, and this retail I think less than 1,000 rupees, and I wanted to try the travel size first just to see, like, you know, if it's really good, because I haven't really tried any silicone primer ever in my life, and I really wanted to give it a shot and like see how it works. Then the next thing I have is something my friend gifted it to me, and this is like a dream palette, and I finally feel like a complete makeup lover, because if you don't have this, you're missing out on something. I'm finally a proud owner of this Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. Like, these shades, they just call out to me, so I'm like really dying to use this, and thank you so much Ashwini if you're watching this. The next thing I got is from my favorite company, and that is TS Cosmetic. I got some more pressed glitters. If you don't know what this is, and if you're a glitter lover but you don't like the mess, definitely check out my review I did on these pressed glitters. I'll leave it somewhere here so you can have a look at it. But I'm like really saving this up for yet another video, so I'm not going to show what's in there. Next thing is not something beauty related, but I got it anyway, and that is a pair of scissors. Like, I always felt like doing those hair kind of situation, trying to get over there. So yeah, a pair of scissors as a gift to me. Then the next thing I got are some brushes from Amazon. Now these are by the brand Generic, and though they say that they're priced at rupees 470, I already got them for 200 for eyeshadow brushes. They are really good, and you can never have enough eyeshadow brushes, especially like for the whole blending process. So I thought it was a good investment. I haven't yet tried it, but I touched it and they feel awesome. The next thing I got is something from Nykaa, and that is the Bharat & Doris Creme Foundation, and this is in the shade Sand Light 06. Now this is how the foundation looks like. Again, I've not tried any of this. However, as you can see, this is a little darker to my complexion. It becomes so tan that none of my foundations are matching me. Now the only downside of this product is the fact that it has a lot of orange undertones, which I'm personally not a big fan of. I think I'll have to mix it and like work it with my foundation, but I'm like really looking forward to try this because this was a really inexpensive foundation, and you know, maybe I could use it as a concealer. I don't know. I've heard quite a good reviews about this, so I'm really looking forward to use this. So the next thing I have is something second purchase from Sephora. It's the most expensive thing in this entire haul. Yes! I finally got the Cover FX Custom Drops. Now I personally am a big fan of foundations and concealer. Like, I think my base should be on point. Honey, you won't play me on that, okay? But I think it's totally worth it because, you know, you can customize this. So I'm really looking forward to use this. Now I'm in the shade N50. The next thing I got is this thing right here. I got this from Amazon. I had this kind of machine previously, but it just gave up on me. So I bought this, and then I did my Shop CJ haul. I'll leave it up here so you can have a look at it. And this was really inexpensive, by the way. This is just 200 or something. So the next thing I have is something skincare related, and that is the Essential Oil by Vedic line, and this is in the Rose and Sandalwood variant. Now this is how the carton looks like. This was really inexpensive. I think this was just like for 150. and you get this very cutesy small bottle. Now I personally got this because rose and sandalwood are known for getting rid of discoloration, and I have quite a lot of discoloration on my both cheeks. So yeah, that is what I got, and I've tried using this, and you literally need like 2 to 3 drops. Don't even think of 4. Now the next thing I have something YouTube made me buy, especially Kaushal Beauty, the Bahama Mama bronzer. Like, the name is so cool. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw it in pictures, it felt a little bigger than what it is. Like, it's really small. I'm not gonna lie. I was really shocked. However, in pictures it looked quite big. I don't know if that was something me imagining things. I have something from Amazon again, and I finally got this, and this is some falsies. I really need to start wearing falsies and like get used to it. Buy some random brand. If I find the link, I'll leave it in the description. Brand is really thin. They are very lightweight. Then I have this Faraset highlighter. Trust me, I have this since a year and I haven't tried it. And since I've got so much of makeup, I'm planning to do like a first impression makeup, and that's why it is in this bag. But anyways, I'll show it to you. So this is like the 4-in-1 highlighter, and this is how it looks like. This particular shade right here is a dupe for the Mary Luminizer. That's one reason why I did not buy the Mary Luminizer, and I instead went for the bronzer. I'm really looking forward to use this. I got it from my Instagram store, in case you were wondering. I'll leave the link in the description. One of my friends got me some goodies from Miss Claire because she knows I love Miss Claire. First thing she got me is a Miss Claire primer, the anti-redness primer in the shade 02 Beige. Then she got me some Miss Claire lipstick. These are like so difficult to find. The first one I have is in the shade 31. Now this is in the shade 55. I haven't opened this. That was open because my friend wanted to try it on her hand. I'm like, okay. This is shade 55. The next thing I got for myself are these sheet masks from the Face Shop. I have 10 of these. Again, I picked up on the sale. They had this 5 on 5. So I do have quite a lot of variety to test and try. I have tried sheet masks before from the same range and I really loved it. My skin was feeling really good. So I'm really looking forward to use some more and make my skin look awesome. Another thing I did for the very first time is buy from Nykaa's Luxe store, and recently it was the Lipstick National Day and I've never owned a MAC lipstick, and I'm a lipstick addict. Like, I'm a lipstick junkie, I'm a lipstick hoarder, and I never felt complete because I never really owned a MAC lipstick and I felt my collection was incomplete. So I was like, you know what, enough is enough. I need to buy lipsticks. I need to have some MAC lipsticks. That's exactly what I did. So I got my parcel from Nykaa Luxe store. The shipment was really nice. I got my parcel within like 2 business days, which is really cool. It came in this really cool bubble wrap, and now I have 3 lipsticks from MAC, which is like insane. Like, I never had any and now I have 3. It's like, wow. So the lipstick that I got free was from the Lip Intensity range, and I got it in the shade Drift Wood, and this is how the packaging looks like. It definitely reminds me of the Nykaa lipstick, like the Nykaa Paint Sticks. It's not exact, but it's pretty close to that. But it is such a pretty color. Like, look at it, such a beautiful everyday nudie pink. Something I would totally wear, and it's right up my alley, and I'm really looking forward to use this. Now these are the 2 lipsticks I purchased, and just based on the shade chart, I didn't want to take any decisions, so I just went with the cult favorites of a lot of YouTubers and the very famous shade. The first one is none other than Ruby Woo. Now apparently I've heard that there is no dupe for this, which is really cool. And yeah, this is Ruby Woo. It's a very pretty color. Now I saw my sister wearing this and I was in love with this, and I asked her what lipstick she was wearing and she said it's Ruby Woo by MAC, and I'm like, wow girl. And that's exactly when I made a decision to buy Ruby Woo, because honestly I felt like, you know, red is something that is very much easily like chalta hai ya types, but that red, honey, it was next level. So yeah, if it wasn't for my sister wearing this, I wouldn't really purchase a red lipstick. However, the next lipstick is a nude lipstick. Obviously, I had to have a nude. It's called Meher, and again, have heard a lot about this, so I had to have this. Now, personally, I love these pinky mauvey colors, and I'm really looking forward to use this. Not every day, that ain't happening, but yeah, I'm planning to use these pretty often. So the last thing I have is a primer, the Lakme Blur Perfect primer. I haven't tried this, I haven't even opened this. So yeah, coming back, I'm really excited to try this. I've heard really good things about this, like expected. Like, all of these things are something, you know, I've heard good reviews, and I believe I can get the best out of it, because when you save up money and you buy something, you want to get the best. So yeah, that's exactly what I did. I tried being as smart as I could with all of my purchases. Hey guys! It's a whole new day, and that is why I have a new lipstick and a new outfit. That is because I got 2 new gifts. Post I recorded that video, so I thought, you know what, let me just throw it in this video. So yeah, the first thing I got is this makeup bag, and it's so cool. I mean, look at the crocodile print. It's just bomb.com. It feels really luxurious and it's really very spacious, and I'm really looking forward to carry this on my upcoming trip. So I just received my parcel from Nykaa, and this is how the box looks like. It's really huge, and today I'm going to use my scissors unlike any other unboxing. So damn, after a lot of struggle, I finally managed to open this box, and really. The first thing I ordered is my beloved Pond's BB cream. Like, I love this stuff and I had to have this. Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh my god, it comes with a pump. That is so cool. I didn't know that this comes with a pump. Okay, I'm happy and I'm like shocked that I didn't know that. And it is 50 grams of product. The MRP of this is 350 rupees, but I'm pretty sure I got it like dirt cheap. So I'm really impressed with the sale and the packaging. Next thing that I got, something I'm really excited. Now I've heard Shruti Arjun Anand talk a lot about this stuff and I had to have it. Now this stuff is the Argo hair dryer. This retails for I think 550 rupees, but on sale it was for 350 or something, and I mean that's like dirt cheap. And plus this stuff comes with 2 years warranty, and the moment I came across that fact, the next thing I clicked on was buy right now. I was that impressed and happy, but I'm really looking forward to use this and give you my thoughts. Let me know if you want review about any of the things that you've seen in this video so far, and I would love to do it. Yeah, that's all I had for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Really had fun doing it with you. Then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to spread love and positivity all around you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.